Hello guys, welcome to another video here in your channel, how to do it. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this error right here on your Windows 11. If you are a Windows user, you might be familiar with it. It happens to us all the time. So I'm gonna be showing you how to fix it with two solutions using PowerShell. So without further ado, let's begin. Alright guys, let's begin with the video. The first thing we gotta do is to open PowerShell. So we go to the search bar and we type PowerShell. Then we run it as administrator. It's really important to run it as administrator. So let me run as administrator. So it's gonna open PowerShell. Then we are gonna copy this prompt right here that I'm gonna leave in the description below. So we copy it and we paste it in PowerShell. So we press enter and it's gonna load. It's going to do a verification phase that is gonna scan the system to find like files that are corrupt on your computer. So we wait for it. Let's wait a second. All right, guys, it finished doing the process. So basically, right here is the verification is 100 complete, and it did not find any integrity violations. So in the case the systems find them, it's gonna fix them by itself. So it's gonna say, "Oh, we found corrupt files and we have fixed them." So right now I'm good. So let's begin with that second step. So for the second step, we are going to need two prompts. In the case, the first prompt tells us that there is an issue. So the first prompt we're going to copy. So copy it and we paste it on PowerShell. We press enter and it's going to load. It's going to like scan the system. So it's gonna take a while, so let's give it a second. It's learning pretty fast. So this is going to check the health of your Windows and it's gonna tell you if there is an issue with it. In the case that there is an issue with it, let's see what it says right there. So we are at 69%, 70%, and it's loading pretty fast. Thank you to the Snapdragon X Elite. Yeah, I got a computer with an ARM-based system architecture. So it's at 85% and it's taking a little longer, but it's loading right there. All right, let's give it a second. All right, guys, as we can see, it finished doing the process of checking the Windows health. So it says that no components store corruption are detected. So no components are corrupted on my computer, but in the case that you find one on your computer, it's gonna tell you. So there is a prompt that you have to use, which is this one that I'm gonna leave in the description. So you're gonna use it, and it should restore the health of your Windows 11. So these are the two solutions that I got for you. I hope they fix your problem. If not, let me know in the comments below and I will see you on the next one.